Hey guys, welcome back, I'm Jay. In this episode, we're gonna look at AWS Direct Connect. AWS Direct Connect is a network service that makes it easy to establish a dedicated network connection between your corporate and one of the AWS Direct Connect locations. Using Direct Connect, you can establish private connectivity between AWS and your data center to reduce your network costs, increase bandwidth throughput, and provide a more consistent network experience than internet-based connections. With Direct Connect, you can choose how particular data is routed, utilizing the dedicated connection, which can provide a more consistent network performance over internet-based connections. Direct Connect provides 1 gigabit per second or 10 gigabits per second connection. You can easily provision multiple connections if you need more capacity. Direct Connect makes it easy to scale your connection to meet your needs. Here is how Direct Connect works. Suppose you have a corporate network, which you want to connect to AWS services with a dedicated connection. You have public AWS services, such as Amazon S3 and DynamoDB, as well as EC2 instances inside a VPC. You can establish a dedicated connection from your corporate network to one of Direct Connect locations. Inside a Direct Connect location, there is a Direct Connect endpoint or router in the cage provided by AWS. It's responsible to connect to the AWS cloud. There is also a customer-provided router or partner-provided router, co-located in the Direct Connect location. It's responsible to connect the corporate network with Direct Connect connections. The customer or partner-provided router also cross-connect to the AWS Direct Connect endpoint. Direct Connect links your corporate network to the Direct Connect location over an Ethernet fiber optic cable. One end of the cable is connected to your corporate router, the other end is connected to a router in the Direct Connect location. Between the Direct Connect location and AWS is the ultra-fast AWS Global Network. With Direct Connect connection, you can create a public virtual interface or public VIF to directly access public AWS services, such as S3 and DynamoDB, and create a private virtual interface or private VIF to access EC2 instances inside a VPC. Direct Connect allows you to connect your hybrid environment directly to AWS, and bypass the internet service provider, removing the network congestion. Direct Connect offers two types of connections, dedicated connections and hosted connections. A dedicated connection is physical Ethernet connection associated with a single customer. Dedicated connection provides two port speed options, 1 gigabit per second and 10 gigabits per second. You can request a dedicated connection using AWS Console, API or CLI. A hosted connection is a physical Ethernet connection provisioned by a Direct Connect partner on behalf of a customer. Hosted connection comes with more options of port speed, from 50 megabits per second up to 10 gigabits per second. You can contact a Direct Connect partner to request a hosted connection. Virtual Interface or VIF is a logical network component, which allows you to access AWS resources over Direct Connect connections. There are three types of VIFs. Private VIF allows you to access a VPC using private IP addresses, for example, accessing EC2 inside a VPC. For connecting to a VPC in the same region, you need the virtual private gateway for your VPC. Public VIF allows you to access public AWS services, such as S3 and DynamoDB, from your corporate network using public IP addresses. Traffic between your corporate network and public AWS services are within the private network, instead of traversing the internet. If you have interconnected VPCs using transit gateways, you can create transit VIF to access multiple transit gateways that are associated with the Direct Connect gateway. Direct Connect Gateway is a relatively new feature, which allows you to easily connect to multiple VPCs from a single Direct Connect location. A Direct Connect Gateway is a globally available resource. You can create a Direct Connect Gateway in any region, and access it from other regions. You can associate a Direct Connect gateway with virtual private gateways. It enables you to use Direct Connect in one region, to connect to VPCs in different regions, or across different AWS accounts. Each VPC has a virtual private gateway that connects to the Direct Connect gateway using a virtual private gateway association. The Direct Connect gateway uses a private VIF for the connection to the Direct Connect location. You can also associate a Direct Connect gateway with a transit gateway. It enables you to create a single Direct Connect connection, which all of your interconnected VPCs can use. The Direct Connect gateway uses a transit VIF for the connection to the Direct Connect location. Direct Connect can help you build hybrid environments that satisfy regulatory requirements of the use of private connectivity. Hybrid environments help you combine the elasticity and economic benefits of AWS Cloud with the ability to utilize other infrastructure that you already own. Network latency over the internet is constantly changing. It's critical when you need to process real-time data from your own network. Suppose you need to send video streaming from your own network to AWS for real-time transcoding. Direct Connect can give you consistent low-latency network performance. When you need a high-throughput and low-latency solution to migrate large amount of data to AWS, you can use Direct Connect to transfer mission-critical data to AWS using a dedicated network, bypassing your internet service provider and removing network congestion. In this episode, we've learned AWS Direct Connect. Direct Connect makes it easy to establish a dedicated network connection between your corporate and Direct Connect location. Direct Connect offers two types of connections: dedicated connections and hosted connections. A dedicated connection is physical Ethernet connection associated with a single customer, which provides two port speed options, 1 gigabit per second and 10 gigabits per second. A hosted connection is a physical Ethernet connection provisioned by a Direct Connect partner on behalf of a customer. Virtual interface is a logical network component, which allows you to access AWS resources over Direct Connect connections. There are three types of VPs. Private VPF allows you to access a VPC using private IP addresses. Public VPF allows you to access public AWS services using public IP addresses. Transit VPF allows your corporate network to access transit gateways. Direct Connect Gateway enables you to easily connect to multiple VPCs from a single Direct Connect location. Okay, that's all for AWS Direct Connect. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.
Hope you've enjoyed watching this episode. If you liked the video, please help us and hit the like button. If you want to watch more tutorials, please subscribe to the Cloudemy TV channel. Make sure to turn on the notification and stay tuned. At Cloudemy, we're passionate about cloud and AI technology. Please share your feedback and thoughts in the comments below. Feel free to let us know what topics you'd like to watch. Happy watching and happy learning.